Other than that, I also contribute to the Matcron application by, for example, I'm gonna have a walkthrough of the backend projects and how it was set up. So as you can see that this is all the repository. We're using the repository pattern, like for example, of repository. We have like multiple functions, features inside. And then to access the features, first of all, when the user first, for example, for mattress, it first push request a request to the controller. So from here, it will go through the controller of mattress. So for example, the first request that I shown you is the get mattress, and it will go to the mattress repository of get all mattress asynchronized. But here's one thing that we need to know is we are not directly accessing the repository, but instead the interface. So I'm gonna have to show you the mattress interface. So this is all the interface that we hear. So what's the benefit of this? So is when if any of the new like maybe a B2B business that help us in services that will want to use our services but do not want our mobile phone web application or anything, they wanna use it at like a API. So what we do is we provide them the interface that they can use and what sort of requirement do they need. Then we'll process it when they request it and go accordingly. So for example, get all mattress asynchronized. So we'll process all the way like verifying the token, organization ID, and then we get the specific mattress for them. This is how we are gonna be doing. And then now I'm gonna talk about how our login that I designed it to do it. There is a documentation for it that how the login was done. And I'm gonna briefly go through it, which is first of all, this is how I decrypt it. So what we do is when we first get the password, we is encoded. So encrypted. So what we did is we decrypt the data, and the decrypt is through AES encryption method. So we will have like a specific password string for it, and then once it's decrypted, it will become a normal string now. But what we use a split with a line, and then what happens here is that there'll be two parts of it. One is the password which was sort and hashed, and another part is the date time. So when the timestamp we are comparing to our server timestamp. So once we get our server timestamp, we will compare if the timestamp is actually more than 5 minutes. Or it's even lesser. Depends on the situation. And then if it's more than 5 minutes, what happens is it will reject the request